Razr 50 Ultra. This folding mobile is going to launch on 4th of this month. Let's talk about this mobile. First of all, starting the price range, this mobile comes with the price tag of 69,999 for the base variant, and it goes on. So in this video, we're going to talk about this mobile's complete display, processor, variants, cameras, battery, as well as other features. So let's starting with the display. This has two displays, like it's a flip mobile actually. It comes with a 6.9 inches of LTPO AMOLED 165Hz refresh rate display. Yes, 165Hz refresh rate display. It is a 3000 nit brightness HDR10 plus supported display. And when it is in flipped orientation, it comes with a 4 inches of 165Hz refresh rate, same LTPO display. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, yes, it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, which is a 4nm based 5G octa-core processor. When you talk about 5G, it comes with almost 17 5G bands. Yes. And if you want to talk about the memories, it comes in 3 different memory variants until the next, that is 12GB RAM, 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. When we talk about the cameras, yes, this comes with two cameras at the back side. A 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization and a 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. So this mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and we can use these back cameras are like selfie cameras with the flipped orientation. And when you talk about the battery, this mobile comes with a 4000 milliamps of battery, which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 10 watts of wireless charge and 5 watts of reverse wireless charge. And this mobile is a IP68 water and dust resistant supported mobile. When we talk about the multimedia, it comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and this comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which is the latest features. And this mobile comes with stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack obviously. And when we talk about this build quality, it's a glass front and aluminum frame and glass back for this mobile. And yeah, this mobile comes with the box of this mobile contains the mobile itself, a charger and a cable and a SIM injector tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that. So these are all the features of this mobile. This mobile comes with a Android version 14 out of the box with the the Moto UI out of the box. And this mobile is going to release on 4th of this month. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase this mobile, and do let me know in the comment section down below, is this video helpful to you? If it is, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. So that's it for the video, and thanks for watching.